Guys, my name is Nusa Mori. I'm also called Nusa Keys because I'm a pianist. Yeah, I play the keyboard. I'm also a gospel singer. Um, I play drums and bass. I'm also a paramedic student, a 200 level paramedic student actually, a 200 level paramedic student. Um, this is my YouTube channel, and this is my channel. I'll just be talking about health stuffs. I said I'm a gospel artist, so my gospel channel will come later, but this is for health talk only. Yes, I was in my bedroom the day before yesterday, and I was wondering why do people really die young? You hear about people dying at the age of 30, 40, 50. Like when you study the Bible, like uh, I do study my Bible very well. When you study your Bible, you notice that the age people lived at that time was 900 or something, but we got people now living 120, 130, 140, 150, 100. But I also noticed some people they die at the age of 30. Like I was wondering why would something like that happen? Then I came to realize that one of the causes that we're going to be talking today is aging. Aging is the progressive change in the human body that results in a degrading of the organ of the body. What do I mean? Aging is something that when it happens to you, it happens to everyone actually. But when it happens, it kind of reduces your body efficiency. It's not noticeable actually, it's a progressive change. Progressive. That means you might not notice it until you get to 70, 60. Well, I want to wonder now, okay, now, where does aging start from? To me, actually, I think aging starts from where you were born because there's no one that is alive that is titled young. You see, I am 12 years old, 13 years old, 14 years old. As far as you have that old beside you, that means you are aging day by day, aging day by day. But scientists say that geriatrics say that aging starts from the age of 20, 20 years when your bones are fully matured. Yeah, at the age of 20, your bones are fully matured. When your bones are fully matured, that's when aging starts from. There are people where their aging process starts from 35, 30. The range is 20 to 35 actually. So aging is from 20. So if you're asked when does aging process start from? 20 years old, 20 to 35. And aging as it is comes with some effects. And what are those effects? When you grow old, when I mean old, like old, very old, 70, 60, you tend to reduce your body function. Your body function tends to come down, tends to reduce your body efficiency. You will not be acting like the way you were. Let's take an example of some boxers. When they were 30, 40, 20, they were good at boxing. But when they got to the age of retirement, why do they retire? Because they are already old. They don't have the power to do what they have been doing before. That's what aging can do. And aging brings some sicknesses along. Like when aging takes place, your muscle your muscles tend to weaken. You don't have the strength you had before. Tends to weaken. If you notice old people, they are usually weak. Some of them, they're usually weak. That is aging. Your lung capacity reduces. Everything about your body changes. Aging, stroke is another effect. What is stroke? Lack of oxygen to the brain. And what carries oxygen in the body is the blood, the hemoglobin. When aging comes into play, oxygen flow is reduced by a result of blood clotting. When a particular place in the brain has been filled with clots, clots, a congestion in which blood hardly passes through, little or no blood passes through, it results in stroke. I said stroke is when there's no amount of oxygen to the brain. That's what causes stroke. We have different illness, type 2 diabetes, glaucoma, lots and lots of them. I bring to you a supplement that when you use it, aging tends not to have a good effect on you. Yeah, like now you'll be wondering now, okay, is there anything I can take to reduce this aging effect for me not to get this diabetes, stroke, cancer, and name it? Is there anything I can take? Yeah, there's something you can take. And this supplement I bring it to you has 0.00% side effects. That means it has no side effects. It works like crazy. When you use it, you testify. And this company that produces supplements is called Norland. Yeah, it's called Norland. When you use their supplement, you are bound to testify. There's nobody. I've interviewed up to 20 people personally, not many of my colleagues. Personally, me in person, I've interviewed up to 20 people, and 99.99% of them testify. 99.99, it might be okay. 20, how come 99.99? That means all of them testified, but one had an issue. What was the issue? She did not complete her supplements. Norland is able to cure any type of disease you have. Any disease, arthritis, anything that results in aging, and any type of disease. My next video, I'm talking about the pediatrics, the children, and what the supplements can do. We have the GI Vitals. The GI Vitals, it helps for your GI tract and other stuffs. When you have an ear deformity, what you just do is bust the GI Vital, put it in your ear. That GI Vital is like the number one in their supplement book. Number one, it is the most respected supplement actually. GI Vital, any disease you have, GI Vital is for you. We have propolis, we have hypoglycemic capsule for diabetic patients. Then we have visual capsule for those with eyesight. If you are blind, what I mean blind, you also have a little. If you are blind, you can't see, take the visual capsules. These are not jokes. Take it and you will see, you will testify. You will testify. The only people that visual capsule do not work for are people who do not have eyes again. Like they that went surgery and their eyes were removed. Those are the people. Then we have a supplement that even though you are almost dying, that supplement can raise you up as far as you have a breath of life in you. The supplement is called oligopeptide. Oligopeptide has the ability to raise a man who is almost dying. You have stroke, you have anything that is bound to take your life, oligopeptide is for you. We have different supplements. We have the Health Wake Up. There are so much more. I can't name all of them. There are too many. If you want to be fit at the age of 80, you will look 30. You will look 40. There's a man that I met him in the company. He's 70, but he looks 50. He looks very young. When you see him, you look at him as a young man, but he's a grandpa. Like his grandchildren are grown up already. Why? Because of the supplements. I advise you to try it out. Just try it out and see. And please subscribe for the next video and turn on your notification button so you can get our next video. And if you have any questions, please place in the comments below. Subscribe, like the video, share it also to get people to know about aging. I'm talking about the pediatrics on my next video. Might be tomorrow, might not be. My next video. Then, when I'm done with that, I will now go into them step by step. I'll talk on stroke, talk on cancer, talk on diabetes, so that we can get a good understanding of our health. It's for our own benefit. Thank you, guys. See you when I see you. God bless you. Shalom. Forget, if you are in need of the supplements, you are in need of Noland supplement that you want to know about Noland, you want to know more, please contact me. My number is below. Chat me up on WhatsApp. I don't usually receive calls. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Then I'll call you. We'll talk. Chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you. See you.